Depth of objects. Part 1. Today we will learn how to measure the depth of objects. Vandana, don't go to the park to play during the rainy season. Play here at home.
Why, Papa?
I went for a walk in the park this morning and noticed that the constant downpour has formed deep pits in the park, and you may hurt yourself while playing.
Okay, Papa. But how deep are the pits?
I didn't have the scale, but it seemed to me about 15 centimeters to a meter deep.
15 centimeters to 1 meter. But usually centimeters and meters are used to measure the length and width. Why are you telling the depth in centimeters and meters, Papa?
Because depth is also measured in meters, centimeters and kilometers.
Can you please explain, Papa? I did not understand.
Look, Vandana, different qualities of objects are measured. The length, width and height of a brick is measured. In the same way, the depth of the pit is measured.
What are the objects in our house whose depth can be measured?
There are many objects in our house whose depth can be measured. Look at that cupboard. The depth of a cupboard is very useful measurement because more the depth of a cupboard is, there will be more space for storage.
Oh, so it is not necessary that we only measure the depth of those objects which are below ground.
Yes, Vandana. For instance, depth is also measured in kitchen utensils because they are filled with goods. The deeper the utensil, the more quantity it can hold. The depth of a vessel helps in determining what could be stored in it.
What are the other objects whose depth can be measured?
Look, you have already discovered examples of pits, cupboards and kitchen utensils whose depth is measured. Similarly, the depth of the well is measured. The depth of the sea is measured. The depth of the pond is measured and the depth of a planter is also measured.
Okay, and the depth of all these is measured in centimeters and meters?
Yes, and it can be measured in kilometers as well.
Distance is measured in kilometers. What can be so deep to be measured in kilometers, Papa?
Do you know, Vandana, there are some areas in the sea which are more than 3 kilometers deep.
More than 3 kilometers deep. This is too much.
There are many objects in nature which surprise us. In the next class, you will study about these objects. Now tell me whether you understood what centimeter, meter and kilometer can be used to measure.
Yes, Papa. The length, width, height, depth and distance of objects are measured in centimeters, meters and kilometers.
Today we learned centimeter, meter and kilometer units are used to measure the length, width, height and distance of objects, and how to measure the depths of objects. Introduction to Centimeter, Part 1. Today we will learn how to measure length and how to find if an object is shorter, longer or of equal length compared to any other object. Neha and Vandana are playing with sand today and building a fort for their dolls.
Look, Vandana, I have made a fort for our dolls. Oh, wow. This looks very beautiful. Come, let's make our dolls sit in this fort. Hey, this fort is small for your doll. Your doll can be seen above the fort. Yes, you should have checked the height of my doll before building the fort. Yes, you are right. Let's make another fort in which even your doll can easily fit in. Tell me, what is the height of your doll, Vandana? I don't know. Let's measure it now. Look, the height of my doll is 15 centimeter. Let us find the height of my doll too. The height of your doll is 10 centimeter. What is the height of the fort? The height of the fort is 12 centimeter. That's why your doll was not fitting in the fort. We will have to build a 15 centimeter tall fort for your doll. Let's build it. Now the fort is ready. Let's measure it. The height of the fort is 15 centimeters now. That means both our dolls will completely fit in this fort now, right? Now our dolls will fit in this fort easily. Did you notice one thing? What? That my doll is taller than your doll. Yes, but how much taller is your doll than my doll? That's easy to find. Your doll is 10 centimeter tall and my doll is 15 centimeter tall. If we subtract the height of your doll, which is 10 centimeters, from the height of my doll, which is 15 centimeters, we will come to know how much shorter is your doll from my doll. If we subtract 10 from 15, we will get 5. That means your doll is 5 centimeters taller than my doll. Yes, and we can also say that your doll is 5 centimeters shorter than my doll. Yes. Now if I want to get a doll which is the same size as that of your doll, then I have to buy a doll of 15 centimeters. Yes, and if you want to buy a doll taller than my doll, then you have to buy a doll taller than 15 centimeters. It means that if I want to buy a doll which is of the same size as that of your doll, then I need not carry your doll. I just have to carry the scale, right? No, there is no need to carry the scale too. You can easily ask for a doll of 15 centimeters. That's right. Does this mean that the measurement of centimeters is same in every scale? Yes, but with such a small scale, we can only measure objects that are up to 15 centimeters in length. If we want to measure objects longer than 15 centimeters, then how do we do it? I believe there are longer scales available. Yes, but where will we get longer scales from? Why don't we ask Papa tomorrow? Maybe he knows. Yes, let us do that.
Today we learned that centimeters are used to measure height. By measuring objects, we can find whether an object is shorter, longer, or of equal height compared to other objects. Introduction to Centimeter, Part 2. Today we will learn that there are different types of scales and different scales are used to measure objects of different lengths.
Hello, Uncle.
Hello, Vandana.
Papa, we want to ask you something.
Tell me, what do you want to know?
Yesterday we were measuring the height of our doll. We used centimeters to measure the height. But the scale we had was only 15 centimeters long. We want to know how to measure some object if it is more than 15 centimeters long. Is there a scale that is longer than 15 centimeters?
Yes, and I have it. You can go to your room and I'll bring it there. Your toys can also be measured with this scale. Look, I have these 3 scales.
Even we have this scale, Papa. Yes, and this is the scale we used yesterday to measure our dolls.
This scale can only measure objects which are up to 15 centimeters in length. Now look at this scale and tell objects of what length can be measured using this scale.
Papa, it has a mark up to 30 centimeters on it. That means it can measure objects up to 30 centimeters length, right?
Absolutely right.
Come, let us measure our toys, Vandana. I will measure the length of my toy giraffe. Now let us see what is its length. Your giraffe is 25 centimeters tall. Now I will measure the height of my bear. Now let's see what is its height. Your bear is 20 centimeters tall.
Can you both tell how short is the bear than the giraffe?
Yes, uncle. We will subtract the height of the bear from the height of the giraffe. The height of the giraffe is 25 centimeters and the height of the bear is 20 centimeters. Subtracting 20 centimeters from 25 centimeters will leave us with 5 centimeters. This means that the giraffe is 5 centimeters taller than the bear.
You both answered it correctly.
But Papa, if we want to measure something longer than 30 centimeters, how will we measure it?
For that, we will use this scale.
But uncle, the scale is very small.
No, this scale is very long. So long that it can measure your height.
Our height? With this scale? How?
To use this scale, the handle outside it has to be held and pulled. Pulling this handle brings the scale out. And with this scale, we can measure the height.
Uncle, can you measure our height?
Sure, you both stand against the wall. Neha, your height is 138 centimeters. And Vandana, your height is 140 centimeters.
This scale is very good. With this, we can measure long objects. Can we take this scale? We will measure the length of more objects, Papa.
Why not? You can keep this scale with you. Today we have seen 3 types of scales which are used to measure length. And different scales are used to measure various objects according to their length.